Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate LDAC audio codec of your Technics earbuds. So first you have to go to the settings in the application, and then you have to just scroll down a little bit until you find the connection mode. Right here you have to select to go to the sound quality option, and to force the LDAC codec you have to click right here, then click OK. Now just wait until it stops switching. And right now I can recommend you to click on this update later. So yeah, that's how you can do this, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.